Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month is February, also known as Valentine's Month. So it's all about love, and we're teaching you and repeatedly saying, I love you on the air. 我爱你。
爱爱你。
爱爱你。再一次。
爱爱你。
爱爱你。这越听越爽，越喜欢的感觉。但是有的时候有人这样子对你说，你其实是觉得
对啊，
是不是？
会很怕。
Even though we're teaching you terms associated with love, but sometimes maybe it's not really love. Sometimes it's just like. 有的时候只是喜欢，不见得爱。其实爱这个字也不能随便一直说。
对啊，
你知道 really mean it 才能说。有的时候只是喜欢对方，或者呢，有的时候可能反过来会讨厌对方。对不对？或者是想着对方，这也都是一些跟情人有关的一些可能会出现的智慧嘛，哈。So let's teach you terms associated with love, but not in that same capacity. Maybe it's about like, about hate, or how about I miss you? All right. 所以先从喜欢开始好了。
OK.
好 How do you say like 喜欢？
中医。
中医，不是要去看西医中医哦。那就不对了。好，所以中医 that means like。中医 Then the opposite of that would be hate 讨厌
恼
这一个字就好了
恼
Okay just one word one syllable and that means hate
海陆腔
闹要闹了
对
不要闹了闹 that's a different dialect of saying hate Okay then what about 想 I just miss you I'm thinking of you 想 Okay 想 that means think Okay 好那就用这个来造句好了 Let's make a sentence out of that Dear I miss you Alright 就是亲爱的我很想你
亲爱的
that means dear
爱东想
that means I miss you Alright 亲爱的我很想你
亲爱的
that means dear
爱东想
爱东想我很想你啊
亲爱的爱东想
我们现在都闭着眼睛对着对方在讲这句话好啦 Let's review these terms Okay Alright the first one is like 喜欢
中医
and then hate 讨厌
恼
and then to think of someone or to miss someone 想 and that's all about love and feelings associated with love and that does it for today's Practical Hakka
什么大家
俺是谁张来了
客家风情由客家委员会监制
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.